to.
Senator Heath, now you can ask your question.
Thank you, Professor. I'll just give you a little preface here. I'm just a cowboy from West Georgia, so this has been interesting, but I think the mayor just touched on the question that I was going to ask of you. So our Constitution, I believe, states that there's two ways to have a special session. One is the governor calls a special session for a specific list of or a specific purpose, or the legislature by 2/3 vote of the two bodies can call itself into session. Now, this appears to be a partisan issue. We certainly don't have a supermajority in either party here in Georgia. So am I hearing you correct that a less than a supermajority of the legislature could convene and appoint electors based on their findings of fact that the election was flawed and unacceptable?
I believe so. And I think look, the federal Constitution is going to prevail over limitations on your legislative power. Those provisions of the state Constitution deal with the state legislature acting in its state legislative capacity. But in deciding on the manner of choosing electors, it is not acting as a state body. It is acting as the federally appointed legislature with direct authority from the federal Constitution, which of course preempts the state limitations on it. And that's what the Supreme Court held in the McPherson case. That's what Section 2 of Title III provides in the federal statute. Whenever any state has held an election for purpose of choosing electors and has failed to make a choice on the day prescribed by law, and I would say in accordance with the law that had been set out, the electors may be appointed on a subsequent day in such manner as the legislature of state may direct. That's Title III, Section 2 of the U.S. Code. I think that also prevails over any other limitations that might exist in Georgia law about when the legislature can call itself into session. It has a federal statutory authority to deal with the issue when the state's election has not been validly conducted.
Thank you.